Okay, let's see if we select, we're going to select that column. We're going to copy. This is an iPad, so it's a little bit different, but you get this wiggly squiggly line. We're going to then, once we've got those two columns, we're going to insert. We're going to insert a chart. We want to insert a scatter chart. Looks like this, and boom, there it is. Now, obviously, that's going to be quite small, so we're going to want to make it a bit bigger. And so you can just kind of drag it around and make it a little bit wider and fatter if you want, so that you get a nice spread of your data and you can see where everything is. Then we're going to want to change axis. So up here, up high, you can see under chart, there's add elements. Now there's going to be something similar on your Excel up above in the in your bar, in your toolbar, or up on the bar above your browser or your Excel. It says add elements, and then you want to add a primary axis. So you want to basically add axis title to the primary horizontal, and you can see that if I click in there, I can get axis title, and then I can type in there. I can also do, if I want to add another one, axis title, I want a vertical, and then I can grab that and I can type in there. I can add an element, chart title, I want it above, and there's already something in there, so I tap it, and then I can then type in there and get my graph. And then you just grab that whole thing and copy it and paste it into a Word document.